In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix Google Drive not showing up on your computer. If Google Drive for Desktop has suddenly disappeared from your File Explorer or Finder, or you don't see the little Drive icon in your system tray or menu bar, don't worry. We'll go through a simple sequence of checks and fixes, starting with the quickest things and moving up to a full reinstall only if we need to. Let's start with the most basic and often most effective fix: restarting Google Drive for Desktop. Sometimes the app is running into a small glitch or has quietly crashed in the background. Look near your clock on Windows or at the top of your screen on a Mac for the Google Drive icon. If you see it, click it, then look for an option like Quit or Exit. Confirm that you want to close it, give it a few seconds, then reopen Google Drive for Desktop from your applications or Start menu. Once it launches again, check whether the Google Drive folder has reappeared in your file manager. A simple restart like this can clear up a surprising number of issues. If Drive still isn't showing, the next thing to confirm is that you're signed in to the correct Google account. Google Drive for Desktop needs an active sign-in to know which files and folders to show. Open the Google Drive for Desktop app again and look for your account profile or email at the top or in a settings menu. Make sure an account is actually signed in and that it's the one you expect to use. If you see that you're signed out, sign back in with your usual Google account. If you're signed in with a different account, switch to the one that owns the drive you're trying to access. After signing in or switching accounts, give the app a moment to connect and then check again whether Google Drive appears in your file manager. Next, we'll confirm that syncing is actually enabled in your preferences. If syncing is turned off, Drive may be running, but nothing will show in your folders. Open Google Drive for Desktop and go into the Preferences or Settings section. In there, you should see options related to My Drive, Stream Files, or Mirror Files, depending on your setup. Make sure that your main drive is selected and that syncing or streaming is turned on. If there are options to choose which folders to sync, verify that the ones you expect to see are selected. After making any changes, save or apply them, then wait a short moment and check if your Google Drive folder appears. If everything looks correct, but Drive still isn't showing up, the next step is to restart your computer. This can reset background services that Google Drive depends on, close any open work, then restart your system completely, not just log out. When your computer boots back up, wait for a minute or two to let startup apps load, then check your system tray or menu bar for the Google Drive icon. Open your file manager again and see if the drive location is now visible. If none of these steps have worked so far, I'll show you the easiest way to do a clean reinstall of Google Drive for Desktop. First, uninstall Google Drive for Desktop from your computer using your usual method for removing applications. Once it's uninstalled, visit Google's official site, download the latest version of Google Drive for Desktop, and install it. After installation, open the app, sign into your Google account, and set your syncing or streaming preferences again. Give it a bit of time to connect and index, then check your file manager one more time. In most cases, a fresh reinstall like this resolves stubborn issues and brings Google Drive back into view.